Hippie hooray! It's Christmas Day and now you're in a predicament. Well, what if I told you I have the solution right here for you? Christmas tree pizzas. First things first, you're gonna need pita bread, followed by my concoction, and I'll explain it to you just now. Some prosciutto, cheese, pesto, cayenne pepper, a must. Some pepper juice, feta, and arugula. So, let me start by showing you how to cut the so-called Christmas tree. So we're gonna half our pita, and then we're gonna half it again. So if you look at it, it actually looks like a Christmas tree. Well, it'll come to life the moment I put some color into it. Okay, we're gonna open our pita up, and we're gonna use our oil, our garlic oil. Like I said, I love garlic. So the reason I chose pita bread is because it's super versatile. Like I said, you could use it as croutons in a salad, you could put it in with a soup, and now we've transformed it into our so-called Christmas tree. So we're gonna go in with our cheese. Now the reason I chose cheese is because it acts as a glue. So because our pita is slightly open, it has a bit of a mouth. Do you see it? So we want to close that mouth. It's not talking today. The great thing about this is that it's so quick and it's so easy, and when there's a rush hour, everyone wants to crack out dishes and just send it out and make people happy. If you're vegan, vegan cheese is perfect for this. Now that we have our cheese on the inside, we're going to use our prosciutto. I love prosciutto. Now the inspiration for a Christmas tree pizza. I think when you go out and you order food, like you get the same things over and over, so it gets a bit tedious. And now I wanted pizza to look a little bit different, and being the festive season and all, we want something a little bit more creative. We're gonna chopstick this baby right here. Gonna do the same here. Do the same here. So here we have our pesto, and it's super simple to make pesto, just basil, garlic, olive oil, and a bit of pine nuts, which are toasted. Blitz that together, and then you have it done and dusted. Then we're gonna add some cayenne pepper. Like I said, I love spice, so everything for me is a must. This one's gonna be very spicy. We're gonna brush it on top of our pizza. Best idea to do is use a pastry brush. If you don't have a pastry brush, you could use the back of a spoon. Are you starting to see it? The Christmas tree effect. Okay, and now's the fun part. I've got our prosciutto here, and I'm gonna show you how to garnish. So we've got a strip of prosciutto. Like I said, you could use shaved ham. If you don't eat pork, you could use chicken, even pieces of chicken. So we're twisting our prosciutto like this, a little bit like a rope. And then we're gonna go in like a squiggle. Just break it, roll it, spread it, doesn't matter. And if you're feeling a little bit traditional, I think biltong will be fabulous on this. Just have fun. I'm all about having fun in the kitchen. You know, it's kind of my thing where I love to laugh, I love to play. It's just a chef thing. So now we've got some pepper juice. I've diced them. If you don't really like pepper juice, dried tomatoes are fantastic. They look like little Christmas lights. Ooh, the festive season is near. So now we're going in with feta. I've got pepper feta. I think that adds a little bit more flavor. Do you see the vision? It's coming to life. Now that it's done, we're gonna put it in our little board. Here. Throw some on. I mean, what's pizza without arugula, right? It's all about the rustic vibe for Christmas. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Like a little starter on the table, people just grab, eat, done. And there you have it. Super easy, super simple, super duper tasty.